he has redacted certain parts of the law. If he had read everything, Mr. Speaker, I wish he had also made reference to the Leadership and Integrity Act. 2, in the same constitution that he made reference, a state officer is defined and it is known who it is. The controller of budget is a state officer. He should have also made reference to the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act. Mr. Speaker, you know, when you read selectively the law, and then you tell us what the total import of the law, you mislead the House and you mislead the public. Mr. Speaker, you should not be invited to interpret something that is absolutely clear is contained in the books. In fact, to my best recollection, Mr. Speaker, the Honorable Wandayi, the leader of minority, was part and parcel. When I moved the Leadership and Integrity Act, in fact, you contributed to it. I mean, you know when it was. The Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, you know what it says. You cannot abdicate your responsibility of knowing, and then you become a resident, a permanent resident in ignorance. Mr. Speaker, that should not be allowed. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Wandayi.
Did I hear Honorable Jakonga refer to me as being ignorant? Can that possibly be true? Mr. Speaker, even if you were to ask such a question, I think it's out of order. And please kindly rule it.
Order, it's an unkind remark, Honorable Chepkonga, to your colleague. You withdraw that.
Mr. Speaker, I just said he is making an attempt to enter into the permanent residence of ignorance. I said an attempt. I've not said he's ignorant. I said he's making an attempt.
You said he's a permanent resident in ignorance.
No, I said making an attempt.
Just withdraw.
No,
it's an unkind remark.
I withdraw.
You've withdrawn?
Yes.
Thank you.